Hi guys, and today I'm doing another video. I just got these slimes. Yes, slimes. They're stacked. So, I know this lighting isn't very good. Ryder, can you turn on the light? So, I have this pink one.
Yeah, I can.
Thanks. I have this pink one. I know it kind of looks purple. Yeah, well, it is pink. You can kind of see it a little bit better over here. This is Brandon's fidget spinner collection. The only one that's not his. But those are all Brandon's. This is mine. Whoa, and that's all Ryder's cash. Okay, so we're going to open these up, and let's see. This is purple. I know it looks like blue, and then this one's blue. And then Ryder has black. Can I show them the black?
Okay.
Yeah, and we also have a black one. Just one.
Ones.
I'll just use one. So the lid is already off, so it should be good to go. Should probably get the lids off. Okay, can you just film this for a minute?
Yeah. I got one more C.
Oh my gosh, these are really hard to open. Okay, so there's pink, purple. I know some of these are really dirty because I already opened them. Okay, I'll get a knife for this one. This one doesn't have a tab, so it kind of sucks. Like, you can see these ones have tabs, but so I have to, like, pretty much pop it. Come on, pop. Sorry about this, guys. Just kind of having some technical difficulties. Oh, yep. Okay, get back in there. So, let's get started with these. We have two blacks, and they just say caution. Yeah, but I'm just reviewing them. And all the lids just say Barrow Slime. They're just the colors, though. So, yeah, you can just flip them over. And then they say caution on them and the colors. So, let's get right to it. Okay, so we're going to take out the blue one first. So let's open this. Oh, it's really cool. It doesn't really stick. Oh, this is Ryder.
What?
What about mine? The one I took out? So this is the blue one. It's actually a really nice blue. It's kind of like a see-through-ish. If you like rip it apart really easily, like you can see my fingers.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see it on the camera? Yeah. So that is the blue.
Epic fail.
Sorry.
Guys, hashtag epic fail in the
I
comments.
thought this would be really like. I know I dropped it.
Hashtag fail, guys.
Sorry, Ryder is my videotaper for today. This one I dropped and it like got all dirty, but that's okay. It still works pretty well. They will dissolve if you put them in the freezer for a little bit. Okay, so it's kind of more like magenta. I thought it would kind of be like a purple because it kind of looks a little bit purpley in the container. You can tell. So that's the purple. Then I have pink. This one's a really nice one. Oh, this one like feels a little the texture feels thicker. Like it feels heavier than this one. Because I think this one, like, these two have two different materials because they're kind of like see-through. This one kind of feels a little bit weirder. Okay, that is awesome. Next we have black. That was a fill. Getting it out. So let's try that again. Let's just rewind. So let's try the black again.
Okay.
Take two.
Cameras action.
Yes. Okay, so this is black. I I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has some sparkle in it.
You can
Like,
see
if you can tell, it has some sparkle in it. I don't.
Your iPad's still fine, don't worry.
I don't know if I can get this back in.
Oh.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll just. If I put down paper towel, it's not gonna. Don't worry. We have some paper towel to clean
As
that
you
up.
guys can see it. So yeah, I think, can you guys see the sparkling in it?
Yeah, like if I just kind of take it out and lay it out. Yeah, you guys can tell like there's a little bit of sparkles. And then like you can kind of like push it apart. Oh my god, and there's a hole. Kind of looks cool, kind of like a zero, like zero. Okay, so let's just clean that up. So, down in the comments, please tell me what one was your favorite. These are called Barrel O slimes.
Barreled. See, it's a D. It looks like an O. Barreled slime.
Barreled, whatever you think it is.
Hashtag barreled slime or barrel O slime. Hashtag whatever one.
Oh my gosh, this is really
Which one?
fun. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, they're called barreled
Or barreled. Hashtag
barreled slime. I got these at All for Less. All for Less. You can probably get them at the dollar store. I got mine for $1.99.
Don't forget to get fidget spinners, guys. See?
Yeah, but so I got they come in all different colors. Well, these are all the
Frog,
colors
there's
that were at mine.
Frog is frog and like
There's like a frog
reptile.
one too. That's so cool, and I wanted to get some. And I said, oh, maybe I shouldn't. I'm gonna do the barrel ones. So thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe.
subscribe, not subscribe.
Okay. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. I blocked my hands. And the question of the day: what is your favorite movie right now? Okay. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
Hashtag Deadpool.